Tropical Storm Victor continues to develop in the eastern Atlantic, as you can see right here. You can see that the center of circulation, you can see there's some more convection around that, so that's a sign of some organization right there. We have the latest out from the NHC as of right here. There's not very many changes right here, but but here's what we can tell you. As of 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the center of Tropical Storm Victor was located near latitude 9.9 degrees north, longitude 30 degrees west. Victor is traveling west-northwest near 14 miles per hour. A west-northwest to northwest motion over the eastern tropical Atlantic is expected through the weekend. Maximum sustained winds remain near 45 miles per hour, so no change there, with gradual strengthening is forecast in the next day or so. The max winds that it's expected to go up to are now up to 65 miles per hour, according to the National Hurricane Center. So not a huge change, but still something interesting right there. Tropical storm force winds extend out 105 miles from the center. Really no change. A weakening trend is expected over the weekend. Really no change. And a minimum central pressure is dropped a little bit from 1,004 to 1,003 millibars. So that's an indication of a little bit of strengthening, but not by a ridiculous level like we saw with Hurricane Sam a week ago. So we have the cone from the NHC right here. I'm not going to show the tracks or intensity models this video because they have not changed since last time. So this is all I'm going to really be presenting for this video. So there it is. It's still a tropical storm around 65 miles per hour by this time on Friday. Then after that it starts weakening, and then by Monday, because it's expected to be a tropical depression, and expected to remain so by Tuesday. So it's going to be a fish out in the sea. It's not going to do very much. It's not going to do any damage to anything. That's it. That's all it's going to be. But this is a pretty interesting system to watch because this was Invest 90L. It got very close to 91L. We were talking about the Fujiwara effect, which 91L does no longer exist. So I think that moisture was absorbed to Victor. So yeah, this is Victor right here. You can see that satellite presentation near the center of the circulation. We'll pause it right here, which is about here. There's some more convection right here. There's some more organization right here. You can see, even though there's some scattered areas right here, this is a relatively large system right here. So yeah, this is an important case study to look at. But once again, all we need is one more tropical storm name, and after that, we have to go to our auxiliary list because we've run out. W's next, and that's it. I honestly think I think it would be pretty cool if they started naming a hurricane like after the letter X, or after the letter Y, or after the letter Z. I think that would be pretty cool in my opinion. Or the letter Q, like Hurricane Quinn. Like that would be a pretty cool name for a hurricane, honestly. So yeah, but that's enough of me rambling about it. So yeah, this is the latest update on Hurricane Victor. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more updates.